My name is Stacey Deer and I'm the Centre Manager of Plas Pentwyn Resource Centre. So Plas Pentwyn has got 3 hireable rooms. We've got a large hall which is perfect for parties, large conferences. We've got 2 then smaller meeting rooms, so we've got an IT suite which can also be used for a meeting room. And we've got another smaller meeting room which is called a Talon, and that can accommodate about 12 to 15 people. Yeah, so we've got a fab cafe on site. It's really affordable, and you can come in and grab a coffee and cake, or you can have some lunch. The cafe also caters for any conferences and buffets, and Eileen is very approachable for that.
Hi, my name's Eileen. I run Taps Cafe. I rent it off the council. I'm also on the management committee and help out with events when they're around.
We've also got a fab library on site. So we've got 10 businesses that are based at Plas Pentwyn, and all our business units are fully occupied at the moment. And we have a large car park with space for approximately 40 to 50 cars. We have a fantastic community garden, Plas Pentwyn, which is managed purely by volunteers who work so hard to manage sort of a beautiful greenscape for the community to use. They've recently had some funding to do a wildflower meadow and an orchard which is on the link path between Plas Pentwyn and Penwyn. School children come over every week to help and water the garden, and it's a real asset to the building. Plas Pentwyn is a very active management committee which is all volunteer led, and they are instrumental in organising lots of community events, and we run quite a few throughout the year which are really popular with the local community. Plas Pentwyn also has lots of adult education courses, so we run courses from sugarcraft to computers to upcycling, various different courses, and if anybody would like to enrol in our courses, just get in touch. Should anyone wish to contact us, we have a Facebook page, or you can ring the centre. Our telephone number is 01978 722 980.